You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these plants. If you want to learn more confusing flower names of different vocabulary, including Latin names that are very confusing, make sure to stay tuned. We've got them all at the end of the video. It's simply pronounced Ixora flower, West Indian jasmine. You can simply say West Indian jasmine or Ixora flower. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.